Once you're ready to ship your wing back to Airframe Components, there's return paperwork that should be located just inside your wing. It'll be stapled to the wall. In your paperwork packet, you'll be supplied with 2 shipping labels. You can put one on either end of the crate. You'll also be supplied with 2 bill of ladings. One's for you and one's for the driver that will pick it up. Once you have your wing secured in the crate and you're ready for pickup, there's a pink sheet with a phone number to call, and then they'll come take care of your wing. You want to load your wing outboard edge first and leading edge down.
Yeah, that's good. Well, maybe a little further. There.
Once you have your wing in the crate, you'll want to grab your brackets again. Your bottom bracket rests on top of 2 2x4s, and it sets in like that. Bring your wing in. Set it on top of that and secure it to the bracket. And you'll just want to finger tighten the bolts for now. Then you want to take your top bracket and also mount it to the spar. There's 2 different size bolts. The larger bolt will go on the bottom, and the smaller bolt will be used to attach the spar to the top. Again, just finger tighten the bolts for now. Once your brackets are secured to the spar, now you can lag the cross pieces in. Once you have your lag bolts in place, you'll want to make sure that on the other end of the wing you have foam on either side and also underneath. Now you're ready to put on your end plates. Once you have your end plate secure, you're ready to ship your wing back to Airframe Components.
That's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for future videos from Airframe Components.